So, you're thinking about inviting a little furball of love and chaos into your life? That's awesome! Cats are amazing companions. Choosing the right breed for your lifestyle is key, especially if you're a first-time cat parent. Some are all about that cuddle life, while others are more independent and playful. That's why I'm here to break down 10 amazing cat breeds that are perfect for first-time cat guardians. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to find your perfect match. Alright, let's kick things off with the Birman, a cat that's as beautiful on the inside as it is on the outside. Seriously, have you seen those piercing blue eyes? They're mesmerizing. But don't let the looks fool you, these cats are total sweethearts. Birmans are known for their gentle and affectionate nature. They crave human companionship and are always down for a good cuddle session. They're also great with kids and other pets, making them the ultimate family cat. One of the best things about Birmans is their low-maintenance coat. A quick brush once a week is all they need to stay looking their best. Next up, we've got the Ragdoll, a cat that lives up to its name. These fluffy giants are known for their docile and laid-back personalities. Pick up a Ragdoll, and they'll often go limp in your arms, just like a Ragdoll. They're not big on roughhousing and prefer a more peaceful environment. Ragdolls have a semi-long coat that's surprisingly low maintenance. If you're looking for a gentle giant to shower with affection, the Ragdoll might just steal your heart. Let's talk about the American Shorthair, a classic breed that's as American as apple pie. These cats are known for their friendly and playful personalities. They're always up for a game of chase or a good feather wand session. American Shorthairs are also super adaptable and generally happy-go-lucky cats. Grooming? Piece of cake. American Shorthairs have a short, easy-to-care-for coat. So, if you're looking for a playful, adaptable, and low-maintenance companion, the American Shorthair might just be your all-American cat. Chapter 4. The Loyal British Shorthair. British Shorthairs are known for their loyal and affectionate nature, but they're not overly demanding. They're perfectly content to lounge around the house soaking up the sunbeams, but they also enjoy the occasional play session. One of the best things about British Shorthairs is their low-maintenance grooming routine. So if you're looking for a loyal, low-maintenance, and oh-so-cuddly companion, the British Shorthair might just steal your heart. Chapter 5. The Curious and Entertaining Scottish Fold. With those adorable folded ears and sweet, expressive eyes, they're sure to steal your heart. Scottish Folds are known for their curious and playful nature. They love to explore their surroundings and get into all sorts of mischief. They're also incredibly affectionate and love to cuddle with their humans. One of the best things about Scottish Folds is their adaptability. Plus, their grooming needs are minimal. So, if you're looking for a unique, playful, and adaptable companion, the Scottish Fold might just be the perfect addition to your family. Chapter 6. The Energetic and Smart Abyssinian. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to talk about the Abyssinian, a cat that's as energetic as a lightning bolt and as smart as a whip. These cats are the epitome of high energy, and they need a guardian who can keep up with their playful antics. Abyssinians are known for their intelligence and curiosity. They love to explore, climb, and get into everything. They need mental stimulation and plenty of playtime to keep them happy and out of trouble. Grooming? No sweat. Abyssinians have a short, low-maintenance coat that requires minimal upkeep. A quick brush once a week is all it takes to keep them looking their best. Let's take a moment to appreciate the elegance and beauty of the Russian Blue, a cat that's as stunning as a winter snowfall. With their shimmering silver blue coat and piercing green eyes, they're sure to turn heads wherever they go. But don't let their regal appearance fool you. Russian Blues are known for their calm and gentle nature. They're not demanding cats and are perfectly content to lounge around the house observing their surroundings with quiet curiosity. They thrive in quiet environments and prefer a predictable routine. Their short, dense coat doesn't shed much, so you won't find tumbleweeds of fur rolling across your floor. A quick brush once a week is all it takes to keep them looking their best. Get ready to have your heart stolen by the Siamese, a cat that's as vocal as a chatty friend and as affectionate as a long-lost relative. These cats are known for their striking blue almond-shaped eyes, sleek bodies, and short, easy-to-groom coats. But let's be real, The most defining characteristic of the Siamese is their voice. These cats are talkers. They'll hold conversations with you, tell you about their day, and let you know exactly what they want, when they want it. These cats crave attention and interaction. They're quick learners and can be taught all sorts of tricks. Plus, their short coat requires minimal grooming. A quick brush once a week is all it takes to keep them looking their best. Let's talk about the exotic Shorthair, a cat that's often described as a Persian in pajamas. They have all the charm and sweetness of a Persian, but with a short, low-maintenance coat. Exotic Shorthairs are known for their calm and laid-back personalities. They're not demanding cats and are perfectly content to lounge around the house soaking up the sunbeams. They tend to have tear stains, so you'll need to wipe their eyes daily. So if you're looking for a laid-back, affectionate, and relatively low-maintenance companion, the exotic Shorthair might just be the perfect fit for your family. So, there you have it, 10 amazing cat breeds that are perfect for first-time cat guardians. Remember, choosing the right breed is all about finding a cat that fits your lifestyle and personality. Do your research, talk to breeders, and spend time with different cats before making a decision. Trust me, the right cat will choose you. So make sure you're ready to provide them with a loving home, plenty of attention, and a lifetime of head scratches. So there you have it, folks. 10 amazing cat breeds that are perfect for first-time cat guardians. Bringing a cat into your life is a big decision, but it's also one of the most rewarding things you'll ever do. Every cat is an individual, just like us. They have their own unique personalities, quirks, and needs. Now go out there and find your perfect match.